Hey there, are you in need of a video editor? Hold on just a second. Okay, now let me tell you what I bring to the table as a video editor. I specialize in a wide range of editing techniques, including color correcting, color grading, full transition, adding captions, fast spacing, viral effect, enhancing your audio and voice, adding overlays, and many more as you need. The thing is, these are very creative but basic things for a video editor. But what sets me apart from rest is I'm very confident and genuinely enjoy what I do. And that's why I'm the top video maker since my college level. I have done tons of corporate videos before with commercial and business video editing as well. So here's the deal. I'm ready to take your short videos, reels, and TikToks, you name it, and I turn them into cinematic masterpieces. By the way, here you can see some of my fun stuffs, or you can say past projects or portfolio. So are you ready to level up your video content? Let's work together to make your videos shine. Don't hesitate. Place your order now and let's make something amazing.